or welcome to my channel. As you guys can tell by the title of this video, you already know what it's gonna be about, and that's why you clicked it. Hello, period, sis. Let's get straight into the video. Here, this is like deep hydration, period. This has been my regimen for this whole year, okay? Well, almost this whole year. It's been growing my hair like whop da whop, and the hydration just stays in my hair for days. You guys want to know more about that and how I do that and what products I use? Just keep watching.
It's calling on my face, yeah. I don't know how to reach me every time that it plays in my rise of the night, we committed a crime. Way over long, there's no sacred spot. We can't be outside 'cause the baggage to cry. Am I on your mind? Wherever you are, don't call me.
So as you guys can see, my process is pretty simple. All I basically do is gather up all of those products that you guys seen, and I just mix them all together. I part my hair into 4 because it's easier for me to detangle and moisturize that way. I take a wide tooth comb to prevent any tangles in my hair. And I just repeat the process all throughout my hair until it's complete.
Keep it on low ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it, ain't nobody knows you. I need total confidential privacy. No one knows, thinking I'm a robot. Time so changed that we on the first class trip. Don't work my nerves, you know I can board it. Fucking, we ain't making love no more. You took that talk, but ain't no mental with. So strong with every whatever you need. Don't call me. Calling on a subtle, we like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business got me out to do the violence. See me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. Your mommy screaming about outside, I keep it quiet. Keep it on low ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep that, ain't nobody knows. Keep it on low ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep that, ain't nobody knows it. Sometimes it's soft as a misty rain that gently touches my soul. It cools the fire that
I know y'all see them curls. Stop playing. Ooh, stop. Look, I don't think y'all can see clearly. Like, I don't think y'all can see clearly. Like, I mean. Who, me? This girl? You talking about this girl? You talking to me? Wait, what? Huh? What? This hair? Huh? What? Too cute. So cute. Look, y'all making me want to bring the light out. Hold on. I need y'all to see clearly now. Hello. Stop. This is maximum hydration. See the healthiness, the ends. First of all, I have not cut my ends since I did the big chop. Hello. Come on now, y'all. This, look at that scalp. Look at that. Look at the date because I be losing track. Wednesday, November 2nd. Because I cut my hair in September. So it's been a year and about 2 months. I'm a year and 2 months growth, like in. Quick lane check. Oh my gosh, I passed my tattoo. Oh my gosh, I be having videos like of me doing this on Snapchat like so much. I've been saving them and racking them up. And the reason why I like to do my videos on Snapchat is because like you can't lie. The dates are there, period. Like I ain't gonna be like, oh my hair been, this is 6 months y'all, oh my gosh, fast hair growth, watch my video, clickbait. Nah, this is a year and 2 months. Actually, it's not a year and 2 months because it's gonna be 2 months on November 18th or 17th. One of them. That will make my hair 1 year and exactly 2 months. So we're not there yet, but it's pretty much kind of there. But yeah, this is wop de wop. We're gonna do the front. Yeah, we're gonna do the front. We're gonna do the front. We're gonna do the front. The front, the front, the front. I think the front grows a little slower than the rest of my head, to be honest. I could be tripping, to be honest. I need to get a measuring tape. That's what I need to do. I had one, but I really don't know where I put it because I've been moving a lot of stuff around in the house, so yeah. Okay, that's the front. Oh, whoop, de whoop, de whoop, de whoop, de whoop. The bounce back is real, y'all. Like y'all really need to do what I just did, what I just showed y'all. Do the side. Like, let's grab a little bit above the sideburns because I'll be cutting them. This is where we pulling from, straight underneath. Oh my gosh, wow. This is wild. Yes. So that you can really get an accurate lane check. A little curl, look. And it's crazy because I was honestly thinking about putting these in my hair. What was I thinking? Continue to shake the curls because we want the curls to basically dry separately. So that concludes the video, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give a like, comment, and subscribe, you know, if you want. Bye. One more time, just bye. Oh, my camera's dying.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in time.